How to lock notes on iPhones. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to lock notes on iPhones. So let's begin. The very first option that I would suggest is to make sure first that your iOS is up to date. If not, please go to Settings and then go to General and look for Software Update and update your iOS to the latest version of iOS available on your settings. So once you have updated your iOS, what you're going to do is to simply go to Notes right here and then choose the note that you want to lock. So there are actually two ways in locking a note. So you may press and hold to a note right here. So for example, I will choose this one. Press and hold on the note and click on lock note right here. And then this page will appear. So you need to input a password, and then you need also to verify that password that you have created. And then you may add a hint, and also you may turn on use Face ID right here. Then once you're done, simply click on done on the upper right corner of the screen, and then you have now locked your note. And then for the second option, you may open your note first and then click on the three dots found on the upper right corner of the screen. So click on the three dots and then you may be able to see the lock button as well. So click on lock and then again the same page will appear, which will require you to put password, verify the password, add a hint, and then you may use your Face ID. So that's it. That's how you can lock notes on iPhones. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.